We decided to dig out these running boards and play with them a little bit again. You might remember somebody somewhere along the line had tattooed a piece on here, extended these running boards out about that far, and I still don't know why, whether they were trying to make them fit another car or what the story was, but we cut that piece off, the back half, get back to the original material and straighten that out a bit. It still needs a little tweaking, and then in the front of this one is all boogered up. But we had to cut the original piece out, and we've got to grind this monkey weld out of there and get it to fit, and see if we can save these things. But it had a ton of Bondo here, where they blended that piece they put on was back here, and then it came in over the top, and then they had it all Bondoed in. So we're gonna work with the DA there to get that all sanded down smooth, and see if we can get this looking like something again. It's not something that's life-threatening, but something that's got to be done. So I'll just work on her to see if we can get this gizmo here to work, and look at that, see what we end up with. We managed to get in there and grind all that ugly weld out of there. That was after a half an hour of trying to put a new belt on the belt sander. And then I realized that somebody borrowed my Cleco pliers, so I had to kind of, instead of Clecoing this thing together like I wanted to, I got these ugly clamps on here holding it in place. But we managed to line up the holes where the original welds were and everything. So what we got to do now is tack it in place, and then clean up this edge here and get this edge straightened out a little bit. It's got to go that way just a bit, and I think we'd be able to save this running board. Didn't look too spiffy to start with, but I think we can save it. Well, okay then, we did a little welding and a little grinding, and we got our end piece put back in where it belongs. We got to do a little more tacking and grinding, a little finishing up. We got a little finishing up to do in here, but I think that'll be fine. We'll find out when we go to try to put the fender on, but I think we got it back looking like it's supposed to. So hopefully it'll fit on the car properly, and we'll be good to go. Just have to work on the other side now. The other side's going to be a little easier because the front is okay. It's just the back piece that we've got to remove that add-on, so it won't be too bad. That's it.